coming along, and all of a sudden I see some really cool, unique petroglyphs.
Hey guys, this is John from Over the Hill Hiker. Welcome to my Sounds of Silence hike video. This is in Dinosaur National Monument, and it was absolutely incredible. On the Over the Hill Hiker channel, I love to hike, travel, explore, and just do and see cool things. Come along with me.
Okay, I'm starting this Sounds of Silence trail in Dinosaur National Monument. I'm just going to turn around real quick and just give you the 360 view. Those mountains over in that direction are crazy. So pretty. Parking lot right there. Okay, well, we will see how this goes. Kind of excited. I have never been to Dinosaur National Monument, and I know that there is a handful of petroglyphs here, and so I'm excited to see what I see. Just gonna hike around this monument all day long and take some videos, so hope you enjoy. So pretty. You see that tree up ahead. Just gonna zoom in real quick. Just the colors. So pretty. It is late October, and yeah, the leaves are changing and starting to come off of these trees, so really, really pretty. Just an absolutely beautiful area. Just hiked up kind of a little offshoot from the main trail. Thought I'd just come up here and kind of check it out. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. I was hiking along up, kind of off trail right now. And yeah, just kind of saw what looked like an animal path to me. That's really pretty. Check those out. Anyways, what looked like an animal path to me. Coming along, and all of a sudden I see some really cool, unique petroglyphs. Those are pretty unique in my eyes, considering that they're not spirals, they're just circles. And then almost like a sun shape right there. Anyways, really unique, really cool. Just came to a really cool place. So I've been hiking. This is the wash that I was in originally. Just kind of been hiking along an animal trail on the side of this mountain. Came along, all of a sudden there's a little water hole down here. Must be a spring or something. It's really cool. Yeah, check that out. It's just seeping out of the ground right there. Wow. You can just see it just dripping over there. Man, that's cool. It must be a super important spot for animals and probably the indigenous people years ago. trees are so pretty. I've climbed back over. I'm on the main trail again. Really, really pretty. So I just came up and out of that little cliff edge right there. There's a wash right below that I was walking in. Give you the view of this. Man, it's incredible. I don't know what that mess of rock is called right there, but that is so cool looking. Alright. Been walking along kind of a plateau. Kind of hiked up along an edge. Now I'm going to drop down into this little valley here. And you can see the trail goes up and over. And then it'll drop down again, heading back towards the car. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful hike. Up and out of this little valley down here. Just about to head down back towards my car. So I just came down through this area. I'm kind of heading back this direction, but this rock right here, this thing is massive and amazing. Check out that thing. It's huge. It's crazy looking. All right. Probably a little over a quarter mile left to go. Then I'll be out of here. It's been amazing. Weather's been perfect. Yeah, couldn't have asked for a better day to hike. Probably in the mid 70s. So I am less than a quarter mile from the end of this hike. It's been amazing. Such a cool thing to find petroglyphs that are off trail. I just was following an animal trail and bumped into them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like always, know I appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining me.